Devil, you too slow. We slit that throat, cause Jesus out up on the cross. So I don't need no gold.
Alright, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Yes, we are back. It is another day in the life. You wanna say what's up? Look, say what's up. Say hi. And I know my wife wasn't in the last video, so she's gonna be in this one if she still wanna be. Babe.
What?
You wanna be in the video? Well, never mind. Or after you get dressed. Why are you looking like that?
Where your money at?
I don't know why it's taking forever for my what's name to hit. Let me turn it down so I'm up in here. Yeah, that look a little bit better.
Some pants already short.
You're getting tall. That's what that is.
We just bought that.
I know.
Oh, you about to change that whole outfit. I need high waters. No, we about to change the entire pool in there. So you throwing that quick?
We're gonna go get us some Mcalister'S and smash. She went in the last vlog, but here she is. What you mean, buddy?
I just woke up, y'all.
Yo, see this? She got my shirt on, bro.
Bro, you told me weird. You told me weird.
Alright, we about to go to Mcalister'S. My money still ain't here yet. I don't know why. But still gonna eat good, bro. Man, it is cold out here. But it feels good out here though at the same time. Let's get you in the car, man. So we can head out. Look at your pawpaw. You can't go with him today. You gonna wave bye-bye?
Mcalister'S? Yeah. What'd you say? It's good too.
Hey, come over to visit me, grandson. Come over later.
Say okay.
Oh yeah, I have one of these VIP cards. Oh yeah. Can I do, what was the salad that you had?
Chef salad.
Can I do the chef salads, please?
What dressing is that?
Ranch dressing. Yeah. And I'll take I'll take a drink as well.
Do you want a side? All of it. You can get a side, dessert, and
Okay. For the side. Okay, the side right there. Let me do the steamed broccoli with that. Yeah. Nah. I don't want no dessert. Can I do the black cherry lemonade? Yeah, let me do that. And that'll be all for me. Alright, y'all. So I finally got paid. Got that money on it.
That is nobody's business.
Oh well.
That's nobody's business.
So we finally here at Mcalister'S. Got the black cherry lemonade. Y'all ever out there? You gotta sit back. Y'all should definitely try it.
Oh yeah.
You want me to go grab her or you gonna grab her? And then my wife, she got the lemonade. No, she got the peach lemonade, I think. So, yeah. We got a little man right here. You wanna say what's up? Look, say what's up. What's up? Look at the camera. Say what's up. But yeah, got our food and about to. Well, we ain't got our food yet, but we ordered. I'm about to eat in a little bit. But yeah.
So those things, you get the whole meal.
That's what I was thinking.
It says and I'm like, you can eat it or sit down, please.
You gotta sit down. Don't fall. Don't put you in the booster.
My ears never sat in a booster. He's like, he sat in it, but he's not like,
You gotta sit down.
sit down. I'm gonna give you some weight.
She about to give you some,
Calm
okay?
down.
That buddy was ready for some juice. Look at it. Ready for that juice.
This is the wrong lid.
That's
Sit
too
down.
big.
Yeah.
You sit down.
Sit down, baby. Grab the one in the middle, but apparently that's the right side. Well, you gotta control them in that drink.
No.
Or you can still put the lid on it. It could just be, no, Zion. Give it here. You just be doing too much.
No, you're not supposed to dig your hands in there.
Because you wasn't supposed to do that. No, you just gonna have to hold it like that there. Don't let him hold it, because then he gonna spill it.
Not too loud.
This peach is real good.
It's peach lemonade, ain't it? Like, I know that's fire. I gotta be fire.
You guys are good.
I know.
I wish I had fries here. Because he would have ate fries and soup.
What down?
Sit down.
About to get your stuff. You want your tablet?
You have the 2 salads,
Yes.
broccoli,
Thank you.
and a sandwich.
Yes. There you have the broccoli.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome.
Is this your first time here?
No, man.
Second time? Yes. You need to join our program.
I'm already doing it.
Oh, make sure you tell them up front so they can give you red.
Also, we were just waiting on his chicken pot pies to do with the whole crew. Thank you. Yeah. The broccoli looks mouth-watering. I should throw some of that in my salad. So yeah, be careful, honey. I'm looking like, where's my food?
You gonna try some broccoli today?
You telling a story.
Here. Big boy. Chew, chew, chew.
Not too good.
You already okay?
You said cover a bowl. Hey, it was supposed to be a bowl. Got you.
Alright, I'm about to show y'all what it's looking like. Alright, y'all, so I got me the chef salad. Got everything in there. Wife got the same thing. And he got him. The little pot pie. Ariana, she got the sandwich, but yeah. We about to dig in.